Assalamualaikum. My name is Rafia Rehman and today my topic is demography. Basically, demography is the study of population and its dynamics. And here we will discuss about demography of Central Asia. In the past, Central Asia were probably very different from what they are today regarding its population size, structure and composition. In the Central Asia, people belonging to the different languages, ethnic groups and religions were used to live here, like Turkic, Mongol, Indo-Aryan and Middle Eastern peoples. The first one are Kazakhs, belong to an ethnic group of about 11 million people. They make up the majority of about 63% population of Kazakhstan. They also reside in China, Mongolia, Russia, Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan in respective ratio. Most of the Kazakhs are Sunni Muslims. In rural areas, they have preserved a strong tribal identity which is much weaker among the urban population. The second one are Kyrgyz, also Kyrgyz, but until 1962 they were also known as the Kara Kyrgyz. They make up the majority of the population of Kyrgyzstan, about 68%. They also live in Afghanistan, China, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. In the Central Asia, they were about 4.5 to 5 million people and most of the Kyrgyz are Sunni Muslims. Now the next are Tajiks, also Tajiki, belong to an ethnic group of about 7 million people who live in Tajikistan. In the map you can see they have largely dispersed towards Afghanistan, Russia, Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. In Central Asia, they are only non-Turkic speaking people as their language is Tajiki, which is close to Iranian and Persian language, and they can speak various Turkic languages. The majority of the Tajiks are Sunni Muslims, but there is an also influential community of Ismailis which is linked to the Shia's teaching of Islam. Now there is Turkmens, also known as Turkmans, belonging to an ethnic group of about 5 million people that make up the majority of the population of Turkmenistan. They also live in Afghanistan, Iran and Iraq. Their majority of population are also Sunni Muslims. If we talk about their language, so they speak Turkmen language, one of the languages of the Oghuz group. Now here is Uzbeks. The Uzbeks are the largest ethnic group in the region of about 25 million people, in which the 20 million people live within the territory of Uzbekistan and the rest of the communities live in neighboring Central Asian countries and in Afghanistan. The overwhelming majority of the Uzbeks are Sunni Muslims. In the past, the territory of Uzbekistan was considered as the land of 1,000 cities. In Uzbekistan, the people of Bukhara and Samarkand were Persian speaking and the nomadic population of other cities and towns are the Turkic speaking. And another ethnic group called Karakalpaks live in Karakalpakstan Republic, which occupies the northwestern part of Uzbekistan. Their majority are also Sunni Muslims. Now we are discussing about Russians, the largest ethnic minority group in the Central Asia. According to various estimates, in 2008 there were approximately 6 million Russians live within the Central Asian republics. The overwhelming majority of Russians are Orthodox Christians, mainly live in metropolitan areas of Central Asia. If you can see this map, you can understand about the percent of total population of Russians in Central Asia from 2010 to 2014. Except those groups, there are also many other ethnic groups in Central Asia, like Iranian, Turks, Arabs, Kurds, Tatars, Uyghurs, and many others. They came here and settled in large and small towns and cities and become the part of the Central Asian nations. These groups also consist of Germans, Ukrainians, Koreans and Poles. They moved in Central Asia during the 20th century and now they still live here, practicing their own cultures and speaking their own languages at home. That's all about demography of Central Asia. Thanks for watching.